Hey, it's Money Sloth, and in this video I'll show you how you can see your free stocks on Webull. Here on the home page, if you go up to the top and click Trade, it'll take you into your account, and then if you go over to the left top side you can click Message Center, and then if you go over to the left and click System, you can see your messages, and there should be a message about free stocks. So here you can see I received my free stocks. I got 4 because I deposited $100. These 2 I got for opening the account, so this is the opening bonus. These are worth $3.28. And then I got these 2 because I deposited my initial $100. These are $9.32. And it could take some time for these to get put into your account. It may say in transit, and it'll give you an expected delivery date. So this is how you can check on your free stocks on Webull, and then once they get put into your account you can unlock your positions and they will show up down here in your positions. Thanks for watching.